this trivia questions video. These questions are coming from Jetpunk, my quiz website, and I maybe have done these before. Don't remember. If I don't remember, you probably don't either, so it's fine. But yeah, let me know how many you get right. They'll just be all sorts of categories, general knowledge, multiple choice. Alright. Question number 1. How many rings are on the Olympic flag? 1, 4, 5, or 7? The answer is 5. Question number 2. What is the longest that an elephant has ever lived that we know of? 17 years, 49 years, 86 years, or 142 years? The answer is 86 years. Number 3. What is a tarsier? Tarsier. A bird, a lizard, or a primate? A bird, a lizard, or a primate? The answer is a primate. Number 4. How did Spider-Man get his powers? Bitten by a radioactive spider, born with them, a military experiment gone awry, or woke up with them after a strange dream? The answer is bitten by a radioactive spider. Hate when that happens. Number 5. In darts, what is the most points you can score with a single throw? 20, 50, 60, or 100? The answer is 60. Number 6. Which of these animals does not appear in the Chinese zodiac? A bear, dog, dragon, or rabbit? The answer is bear. Number 7. Who are known as the Brahmins? Members of India's highest caste, surfers in California, or it's a totally made-up word? The answer is members of India's highest caste. Number 8. How many holes are on a standard bowling ball? 2, 3, 5, or 10? The answer is 3. Number 9. Does coffee naturally contain caffeine, or is it added later? So natural and added later are your two choices. The answer is natural. Naturally contains caffeine. Number 10. What are the main colors on the flag of Spain? Black and yellow, blue and white, green and white, or red and yellow? The answer is red and yellow. Number 11. In the nursery rhyme, how many blackbirds were baked in a pie? 4, 11, 24, or 99? is 24? Number 12. What is a pomelo? A breed of dog, an old-fashioned punching bag, or the largest citrus fruit? The answer is the largest citrus fruit. Question 13. Who killed Greedo? Hannibal Lecter, Han Solo, Hermione Granger, or Hercules? The answer is Han Solo. Number 14. Are giant pandas a type of bear? Yes or no? The answer is yes, they are. Number 15. How many points is the letter X worth in English language Scrabble? 3, 8, or 11? The answer is 8. Question number 16. Are women required by law to wear headscarves in Iran? Yes or no? The answer is yes. Number 17. What is taxidermy? Another word for tax evasion, classification of species into categories, the art of stuffing animal remains for display, or the artistic trimming of hedges. The answer is the art of stuffing animal remains for display. Number 18. Where would you be most likely to see an epitaph? At the bottom of a page, at a zoo, on a boat, or on a tombstone? The answer is on a tombstone. Question number 19. What famous book did Marie Kondo write? The Amazing Art of Going to the Bathroom, Eating Cheese, Why You Should Never Do It, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, or The Simple Act of Making Breakfast? The answer is The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. Number 20. What is the title of the rock song that starts, Jeremiah was a bullfrog? I Can't Go for That, Joy to the World, Sympathy for the Devil, or A Whole Lot of Love? The answer is Joy to the World. Number 21. Are there any fish that have teeth? Yes or no? The answer is yes. Number 22. Who is Jamie Oliver? A celebrity chef, a former member of the boy band One Direction, a Shakespearean actor, or an underwear model? The answer is a celebrity chef. Number 23. What is Times New Roman? A mathematical function, a font, a newspaper, or a religious movement? The answer is a font. there's like two words that are combined to make a new word. I think the first one is a palindrome, third one is an oxymoron. Question number 25. Which of these islands is the furthest south? Cuba, Jamaica, or Trinidad? The answer is Trinidad. Number 26. Which of these is furthest from the sun? The asteroid belt, Earth, Mercury, or Saturn? The answer is Saturn. Number 27. Does a piano have more white keys or black keys? White keys, black keys, or they have the same number are your options. The answer is white keys. Where would you find the Spanish Steps? Madrid, Mars, New York City, or Rome? It's quite the assortment of options. The answer is Rome, is where you find the Spanish Steps. Question 29. Which of the following is not a type of cheese? Gouda, Kalamata, Havarti, or Roquefort? Havarti, sorry. The answer is Kalamata. Kalamata is an olive. Question 30. Which of these colors is closest to chartreuse? Gray, pink, orange, or yellow-green? The answer is yellow-green is closest to chartreuse. Question number 31. What was the first planet discovered with the use of a telescope? Jupiter, Pluto, Saturn, or Uranus? The answer is Uranus. I did not know that. Number 32. What letter is a protractor shaped like? A D, an F, an L, or a V? D as in dog, F as in food, L as in really true that some Amazonian rainforest tribes would collect the shrunken heads of their enemies? Yes or no? The answer is yes, it is true. Number 37. When did Mahatma Gandhi die? 1948, 1961, 1975, or 1997? The answer is 1948. I'm so sorry about all of my stomach growling. It just won't stop. Number 38. Has Toronto ever hosted the Olympics? Yes or no? The answer is no. Number 39. Which of these noble ranks is the highest? Baron, Duke, Earl, or Marquis? The answer is Duke. Number 40. The U.S. state of New Jersey is named after Jersey, but what is Jersey? A Dutch province, a British island, a Native American tribe, or there are multiple theories, no one is sure. The answer is a British island off the coast of France. Question 41. Does Mars have any moons? Yes or no? The answer is yes, it has two. Number 42. A triangle has one side with a length of 3 and another side with a length of 4. What is the length of the third side? 4, 5, 6, or it's impossible to say. The answer is it's impossible to say, because it would be 5 if we knew that it was a right triangle, but we don't know that it's a right triangle, so we don't know. Number 43. Who is Paul Simon? A famous lawyer, a playwright, a serial killer, or a singer-songwriter? The answer is a singer-songwriter. Number 44. Which of these is not caused by a virus? Cholera, herpes, measles, or smallpox? Which of those is not a virus? The answer is cholera. Number 45. Which of the following is a synonym of benighted? Benighted. Ignorant, noble, old, or smitten? Benighted. The answer is ignorant. I would not have gotten that. Question 46. How old was Juliet in Romeo and Juliet? 13, 21, 31, or 45? The answer is 13. Oh my gosh. Number 47. What is Limburger cheese known for? Its bright is the Artful Dodger? Question 50. What did people call the Western films directed by Sergio Leone and other Italian directors? Espresso westerns, Gucci westerns, or spaghetti westerns? The answer is spaghetti westerns. Number 51. What does it mean when a movie is called a blockbuster? It failed miserably, or it sold a lot of tickets? The answer is it sold a lot of tickets. Question 52. What happened to the witch in Hansel and Gretel? Gretel pushed her into an oven. She ate Hansel and then flew away on her broomstick. She disappeared into the deep, dark woods, or she transformed into a rat. The answer is Gretel pushed her into an oven. Nice. Number 53. Which of these is not a type of architecture? Art Deco, Brutalist, Dadaist, or Gothic? The answer is Dadaist. Question 54. What is the key ingredient in a Molotov cocktail? Gasoline, milk, nitroglycerin, or vodka? Wouldn't want to mix those up. The answer is gasoline. Question 55. What percentage of the passengers on the Titanic died in the disaster? 0%, 4%, 62%, or 100%? The answer is 62%. Number 56. What was the name of Dorothy's aunt in The Wizard of Oz? Aunt B, Aunt M, Aunt Gertrude, or Aunt Rose? The answer is Aunt M. Which of these musical instruments is most similar to a fife? A flute, a violin, or a trumpet? The answer is a flute. Question number 58. What tribe did Goliath belong to? The Dothraki, the Philistines, or the Scythians? The answer is the Philistines. Question 59. Which of these is not a sign of the zodiac? Aquarius, Leo, Orion, or Taurus? The answer is Orion. Number 60. If you decimate something, what percentage of it do you destroy? 10%, 90%, or 100%? The answer is 10%, which is interesting because I feel like that's not how the word is used, but that's technically what it means. Number 61. In the first chapter of Genesis, what did God tell people to do? Add, divide, multiply, or subtract? The answer is multiply. Number 62. What is a farthing? A creature from the Lord of the Rings. An old British coin. A unit of land equal to 7 hectares. Those are the options. It sounded like I was going to say another one. The answer is an old British coin. Question 63. Which of these adjectives best describes the Greek hero Odysseus? Clever, fat, greedy, or tall? The answer is clever. Number 64. Which of these is the title of a book written by Machiavelli? The Duke, the King, the Prince, or the Queen? The answer is the Prince. Number 65. In the opera Pagliacci, who is Pagliacci? A clown, a cook, a ghost, or a violinist? The answer is a clown. Number 66. Which adjective best describes a person with a type A personality? Competitive, funny, insincere, or relaxed? The answer is competitive. Number 67. Which word doesn't have a similar meaning to the other ones? Audacity, chutzpah, hubris, or misanthropy? The answer is misanthropy. Misanthropy. I don't know. Number 68. When does the Jewish Sabbath begin? Friday at sunset, Saturday at sunrise, Saturday at sunset, or Sunday at sunrise? The answer is Friday at sunset. Question 69. What is the national animal of Canada? The beaver, blue jay, moose, or polar bear? The answer is the beaver. Question 70. Who is the leader of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? Donatello, Leonardo, Michelangelo, or Raphael? The answer is Leonardo. Question 71. Who did French President Emmanuel Macron marry? A bodybuilder, a former nun, his cousin, or his high school teacher? The answer is his high school teacher. Number 72. What object did the boys in The Lord of the Flies use to decide who was the current speaker? A Bible, a cricket bat, a conch shell, or a monkey's paw? The answer is a conch shell. Number 73. What color of ink is used is a gremlin? A clay monster, a creature which tampers with machinery, a grave robber, or a small bearded creature which lives underground? The answer is a creature which tampers with machinery. Alright. That is the end of this video. 75 multiple choice general knowledge questions for you. I hope that you enjoyed those. I'm very tired, as you can tell by my forgetting things and being a little dyslexic. This is like the fourth or fifth video I've filmed today, so a little tired. Can't really read anymore, but that's okay. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time, everybody. So thanks for watching, and let me know how you did.